Gates open. They're up and racing. Firm grip. La Huerta. Fiery Princess comes next. Then moving up. Haywire running on the outside is 3A Good Humor as they race towards the last 900. La Huerta as expected leading the way, followed by Haywire in second. Firm Grip is down in third, followed by Good Humor, Fiery Princess. Running alongside is Luna Rosa, then by the rail, Mr. Integrity. Next in line, moving up on the outside is entry number 6, and that's Golden Hana past the last 600. La Huerta by about 2 lengths. Haywire still in second, getting closer now in third, and almost catching the second spot is the favorite Firm Grip as they turn for home. La Huerta, Firm Grip throwing a challenge on the outside, running now in third, Fiery Princess Haywire with 150 to go. La Huerta by the rail, Firm Grip on the outside, Firm Grip, La Huerta by the rail, La Huerta, Firm Grip, La Huerta, and at the wire, Firm Grip doing the better over La Huerta. Fiery Princess, Luna Rosa, Good Humor for your Pentapecta.